Hi my friends, thank you so much for joining me today. Today we are going to make over my master bedroom. I'm going to clean the walls and the floors and move everything into the middle of the room so then we can get ready to paint. The paint color I chose is book green, and I got it from the here. So here is my paint. I chose this paint because the guy said it's a one coat done. I don't like painting, so hopefully this works. For my room will be cozy, boho, minimalist, if I could get down to that. I have no clue. I feel like all my designs are messed up. Like my designs are messed up. I have no clue. My goal for this room is to be boho, cozy, romantic. That's what we're gonna go with. Cozy, boho, romantic. Right here, I'm just wiping down my walls with the Libman duster that I have. It works really good. I like to use these ones because there's a washable one, and I feel like it helps me save on money not buying the disposable ones. I just want to apologize for the cloudiness of the views that you're going to be seeing. I've tried out a new camera and it's not quite worked for me. I was so happy that Jean decided to come and help me with my room. She saw how much I was struggling moving some of this stuff, so she came in and gave me a hand, helped me move all my junk. Guys, I didn't realize how much junk I had. That's kind of crazy. Now I'm ready to tape up the walls and begin starting to paint. As I'm doing this, Jean's going to finish up vacuuming the floors. as I am doing the edging, Jean is going to start working on the book of the painting on the walls. Okay, my friends, it took us 2 coats of paint to do the room. I am going to be taking off the blue tape and we're gonna start putting on the outlet covers, and then I'm gonna get into rearranging the room. I really like this color. It is Brook Green from Home Depot. Here is the closet, the cream color versus the book green. I ran out of paint, so I'm thinking about doing a accent wall with wallpaper. I have never used it before, but I was thinking about doing that. I'm gonna be pulling out the clothing racks, and we're gonna rebuild this closet to fit us better. I'm gonna pull it all out. Hopefully it'll look nice. I'm gonna finish pulling up all the blue tape and then move into putting the outlet covers on. Here is the closet. This is the next thing I'm going to be working on. I'm going to be clearing out all these clothes and probably going to paint the walls. Might try to do some wallpaper, and Joel is going to put up some shelves for me. I would like to apologize once more. I didn't get footage of me painting the closet and Joel putting up the shelves. Joel did it during Thanksgiving as I was cooking dinner. So this is just me emptying out the closet, and then it's gonna show you the final results of our room. Thank you guys so much for sticking with me to the end of the video to see the results that I came up with.
I love the color. And here is my cozy master bedroom. I didn't really go with romantic or a boho-ish theme. I still need to work on that, but I think I will be able to get there from this point. Here is the closet. We just painted the closet, and Joel during Thanksgiving put up the shelves for me as I cooked the dinner. He did a great job. He put a shelf up high for him and then a shelf down below for me. Thank you guys so much. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't.